This video will show you how to install the Barmel printer driver. Once the file is downloaded, click Write and then Run as administrator. Then the installation language is selected. Click on the following and accept the terms. Now click on Next. At this time, the USB cable will be connected and the printer will turn on. The computer will automatically detect the printer and the driver will continue with the installation. If the computer does not detect the printer, verify that the USB cable is correctly installed in the printer or try another USB port of the computer. Once the installation is finished, click Finish. Then head to Devices and Printers and search for the Barmel printer. Right-click and go to Printing Preferences. In the Device Options tab, verify that the box Automatically Detect is selected and remove the check in the Options Split a set of panels, because if that box is selected, the second side will print in black and white. Now go to the tab Panel K Resin and verify that it is disabled. Then, in the Overlay tab, verify that the Print and Overlay option is selected on both sides. Finally, verify that the Printer Information tab displays the data correctly. Go to Printer Properties. Then on the Security tab, grant permissions to all users. That would complete the installation of the Barmel printer print driver. For more information, check with your local provider.